let us begin today's class. In the previous class, we studied about the animals living in polar regions and their adaptation. In today's class, let us study about the animals that live in tropical rainforests and their adaptations to survive in such climatic conditions. So, let us study about tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests, these are present in tropical regions, and the tropical regions is hot. Okay, so tropical regions are hot. Why are they hot? Because they are located on or close to the equator. Because of its location on or close to the equator. What is the equator? I think you have already studied in geography. Earth ma chai imaginary lines huncha ni, and one such line that passes through the middle of the earth, that is known as equator. Okay, so the regions that are present here on the equator and close to the equator, those are known as tropical regions, and such regions are hot. Why they are hot? Because on equator the sun shines directly. Okay, sun चाहिँ directly shine गर्छ equator मा, त्यही कारणले गर्दा चाहिँ यो region हरु चाहिँ hot हुन्छ. Tropical regions are hot. Okay, now days and nights are equal in length. Days and nights are equal in length. हाम्रोमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ, समरमा डे लामो हुन्छ, नाइट छोटो हुन्छ. विन्टरमा चाहिँ फेरि डे छोटो हुन्छ, नाइट लामो हुन्छ नि. तर ट्रपिकल रिजन्समा चाहिँ डे एन्ड नाइट्स आर अलमोस्ट इक्वल इन लेन्थ. ओके, एन्ड all the days are equally warm throughout the year. That means बराबरी तातो हुन्छ throughout the year. That means जाडो हुँदैन. Okay, tropical regions मा. And the climate of the tropical regions are, climate is hot and humid. Climate लाई चाहिँ के भन्दो रहेछ? Hot and humid. Hot means where the temperature is high throughout the day. Humid भनेको चाहिँ के हुन्छ? पानी sufficient amount मा हुन्छ. ओके, wet भनेको चाहिँ साह्रै बेसी पानी पर्नु, त्यो चाहिँ wet हो. तर humid भनेको चाहिँ ठिक्कको पानी पर्छ. ओके, सो त्यही कारणले चाहिँ so the tropical regions, the tropical regions do not have dry seasons. सुक्खा season चाहिँ हुँदैन उनीहरुकोमा. Okay, and the vegetation remains green throughout the year. भनेको रुखपातहरु, झार जंगलहरु जति पनि छ त्यो चाहिँ जहिले तहिले हरियो हुन्छ. ओके, हाम्रोतिर चाहिँ कलर चेन्ज गर्छ नि, पत्ताहरु पहेँलो हुन्छ कोही सिजनमा झर्छ. तर यहाँ ट्रपिकल रेन फरेस्टमा भएको जति पनि vegetation छ, vegetation refers to plants that is green throughout the year. Okay, and since the climate is favorable, तातो पनि छ, warm पनि छ, पानी पनि sufficient amount मा छ, so it has an enormous number and variety of animals. So बेसी animals, बेसी के रे यो मात्रामा भएको कारणले गर्दा there is intense competition for food. There is intense competition for food and shelter. So बेसी organisms, बेसी animals हुन्छ, त्यही कारणले एनिमल्सहरुको बीचमा फुडको लागि शेल्टरको लागि अलवेज देयर इज इन्टेन्स भनेको एकदमै कडा कम्पिटिसन भइराखेको हुन्छ ओके नाउ लेट अस स्टडी अबाउट द एनिमल्स दैट आर फाउन्ड इन tropical rainforest some of the animals that are found in this region are first ma chai cha red-eyed frog okay there is a type of frog that is known as a red-eyed frog that lives in the tropical rainforests so red-eyed frog ko नामै त red-eyed frog so यो frog को आँखा चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ रातो हुन्छ okay and one unique feature of this frog is that it lives on trees okay रुखमा बस्छ र रुखमा चढ्नुको लागि चाहिँ उसको खुट्टामा चाहिँ it has sticky pads on its feet okay so first animal that we find in the tropical rainforest is the red-eyed frog okay it has sticky pads on its feet which help it to climb trees on which it lives so रुखमा बस्छ अनि रुखमा बस्नुको लागि रुख त अब ट्रपिकल रेन फरेस्ट को रुख चाहिँ फेरि अग्लो हुन्छ ओके किनभने सनलाइट को सर्चमा बेसी बाक्लो भएर फरेस्ट सनलाइट को सर्चमा रुखहरु अग्लो भएको हुन्छ सो त्यस्तो अग्लो रुखमा चढ्नु पर्यो नि त अनि त्यो अग्लो रुखमा चढ्नुको लागि चाहिँ उसको खुट्टामा चाहिँ स्टिकी प्याड हुन्छ टाल्लिने स्टिकी भनेको टाल्लिने प्याड हुन्छ अनि त्यहाँ त्यो प्याडको हेल्पले चाहिँ इट climbs the trees so here I have a picture of red-eyed frog हेर्नुस् त आँखा स्ट्राइकिङ छ नि आँखा ठुलो रातो रेड कलरको आँखा छ so these feet यो रातो देख्नु हुँदैछ these are the sticky pads of the frog अनि यो sticky pads ले चाहिँ it helps the frog to climb trees okay next animal that is found in tropical rainforest is monkey अब monkey त हाम्रोतिर पनि हुन्छ okay so monkeys it is found everywhere so it is also found in tropical rainforest now you know that monkey has long tails for grasping branches it has long tails for grasping branches their hands and feet can easily hold branches of trees तपाईहरुले देख्नु भएको होला बेसी जस्तो monkeys कहाँ चढ्छ रुखमा चढ्छ नि रुखमा चढेर it jumps from one tree to another tree रुखको बडै खानाहरु फ्रुट्सहरु खान्छ नि उले सो एउटा रुखदेखि अर्को रुखमा जम्प गर्नको लागि उसको टेल लामो छ सो त्यो टेलले आँगाहरु समात्दै हात खुट्टाले पनि आँगाहरु समात्दै it jumps from one place to another place हेर्नुस् त the tail here it is very long and hands and feet also help us to grasp the branches of trees देख्नुभयो tail लामो छ अनि त्यहाँदेखि hands and feet okay now the third animal that we find in tropical rainforest is toucan okay toucan is a bird okay so toucan it is a bird with long large beak भनेको त्यसको मुख bird को त beak हुन्छ नि है so it is a bird with long large beak now this beak helps it to reach branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight okay अब सम्झिनुहोस् this is a tree यसको हाँगा हो यो यहाँनिर चाहिँ अब ट्युकान बसिरहेछ ओके यहाँनिर चाहिँ त्यो ट्युकान बसिरहेछ ट्युकानको बीक चाहिँ लामो हुन्छ ओके इट हैज अ लङ लार्ज बीक अनि त्यहाँदेखि सपोज देयर इज अ प्लान्ट ओभर हियर यहाँनिर सपोज उसको फ्रुट छ अरे सपोज दिस इज द फ्रुट ओके नाउ it cannot go here go to this branch and sit over here because यो branch चाहिँ के अरे कलिलो छ नि त भाँचिहाल्छ ऊ त्यहाँ गयो भने त उसको वेटलाई सपोर्ट गर्दैन सो के गर्छ उसको बीक लामो भएको कारणले गर्दा ऊ यही ब्रान्चमा बसिकिन इट क्यान रिच द फ्रुट अर द फुड द्याट इज प्रेजेन्ट इन द अदर ब्रान्च ओके सो यसरी चाहिँ लङ लार्ज बीकले चाहिँ उसलाई फ्रुट खानुमा हेल्प गर्छ सो हेर्नुहोस् त यसको बीक चाहिँ कति लामो हुँदो रहेछ टुकानको सी बर्ड त कति सानो छ नि बट बीक इज very very long and it is large okay now another animal that is found in the tropical rainforest is lion-tailed macaque okay lion-tailed macaque fourth animal let us study about the fourth animal that is found in tropical rainforests that is lion-tailed macaque okay abo macaque lion-tailed macaque is actually an ape bhaneko it is just like monkey okay but it has one outstanding feature what is its outstanding feature usko अनुहारमा चाहिँ सिल्भर व्हाइट मेन हुन्छ मेन भनेको एमएनई मेन भनेको के हो तपाईले लायन देख्नु भएको छ लायनको मुखमा यस्तो दाढी जस्तो यस्तो हुन्छ नि है उसको हेडलाई डल्लै सराउन्ड गर्छ सो इभन दिस लायन टेल मकाक हैज दैट सेम मेन बट दैट मेन इज सिल्भर व्हाइट इन कलर ओके सो इट्स outstanding feature is its silver white mane that surrounds the head usko टाउको सराउन्ड गर्छ from cheeks to the chin okay so यसकोमा चाहिँ एउटा मेन हुन्छ मेन भनेको त्यो अनुहारको वरिपरि hair huncha so that hair surrounds its face just like the lion that is why it is known as lion tailed macaque okay ani tyo main herda chai it looks like beard fuleko dadi jasto dekhcha ni ta so it is also known as beard ape elai beard ape pani bhanincha okay dadi bhako बाँदर okay it is also known as beard ape हेर्नुस् त यस्तो हुन्छ नि देख्नु हुँदैछ हेर्नुस् त उसको वरिपरि सेतो मेन छ so it looks like beard and that is why it is known as beard ape okay now it is a good climber it's a good climber and spends most of its life almost all its life on trees and spends almost all its life on trees okay अन्त के खान्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ it mainly feeds on fruits यसले बेसी जस्तो fruits खान्छ तर अब fruits जहिले तहिले पाउँदैन so it also eats seeds यसले seeds पनि खान्छ it eats young leaves it also eats stem okay and it also eats flowers and buds okay that means ele praya plant ko sabai parts khanja it also searches for insects plant matai nakhaera also searches for insects under the bark of trees रुखको बोक्रा मुनि चाहिँ insects haru baseko huncha त्यो पनि खोजेर खान्छ okay so since it gets sufficient food and the trees itself it rarely comes down to ground since it gets sufficient food on trees it rarely comes down to the ground. हतपत यो जमिनमा झर्दैन किनभने रुखमै सबै थोक पाइहाल्छ उसले अनि रुखमै बस्छ त्यही खान्छ र हतपत झर्दैन. Okay, now another animal that is found in the Indian tropical rainforest. इन्डियाको ट्रपिकल रेनफरेस्ट मा चाहिँ के पाइन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ elephants पाइन्छ. Okay, and that is found in India. So Indian elephant चाहिँ कस्तो हुँदो रहेछ त्यसको adaptations के रहेछ त्यसको विषयमा हेरौँ. Elephant. Okay. Elephant, it has a long trunk. Soon trunk भनेको है लामो trunk हुन्छ which is used as nose. So उसको नाकको काम गर्छ trunk ले and it has a very strong sense of smell and it has a very strong sense of smell. So लामो trunk भएको कारणले गर्दा त्यो नाकको रूपमा युज गर्छ अनि त्यहाँदेखि उसको सुँघ्ने शक्ति चाहिँ एकदमै बेसी हुन्छ ज्यादा हुन्छ. ओके अनि ट्रङ्कले खाली नाकको काम मात्रै गर्दैन. The trunk is also used for picking food. Okay, trunk is also used for picking food. खानाहरु टिप्नुमा उसले हेल्प गर्छ. एलिफेन्टले के खान्छ? It is a vegetarian or herbivore भनौँ न है. herbivore हो. यसले प्लान्ट्सहरु मात्रै खान्छ. सो पत्ता रुखको पत्ताहरु तान्नुको लागि फ्रुट्सहरु तान्नुको लागि it uses its trunk. Okay, now it has tusks. उसकोमा ट्रङ्क मात्रै हैन टस्क पनि छ. टस्क भनेको त्यो लामो सेतो दाँत हुन्छ नि है which are modified teeth. यो चाहिँ modified teeth हो. modified teeth and is used for tearing bark of trees. Tearing bark of trees. So पत्ता फ्रुट्सहरु मात्रै नखाएर ब्रान्चेसहरु मात्रै नखाएर it also eats the bark of trees. रुखको बोक्रा bark भनेको बोक्रा खान्छ. सो त्यसलाई च्याप्नुको लागि चाहिँ के युज हुन्छ टस्क हुन्छ किनभने टस्क इज भेरी भेरी स्ट्रङ बलियो हुन्छ नि त है. सो त्यो चाहिँ टस्क युज हुन्छ फर टियरिङ bark of trees and it loves to eat the bark of trees. Okay, third feature is it has large ears. ठुलो ears छ नि है ठुलो कान हुन्छ. Okay, large ears. So it can hear very soft, even very soft sounds also. ठुलो कान भएको कारणले गर्दा एकदम हल्का हल्का आवाज पनि उले सुन्नु सक्छ. Okay, it can hear even very soft sounds and the large ears it also keeps the animal cool. अब तपाईलाई याद छ नि इक्वेटरको छेउमा हुन्छ यो ट्रपिकल रेन फरेस्टहरु अनि त्यही कारणले जहिले तहिले गरम हुन्छ. सो हात्तीलाई गरम हुँदाखेरि त्यो कानले चाहिँ उले हम्किने काम गर्छ and then it will keep the animal cool. Okay, so I have a picture of elephant over here. Okay, elephant को नक्सा छ यहाँनिर. So मैले सबै लेबल पनि गर्दिएको छु. So this is the trunk. लामो यो ट्रङ्क हो. यो ट्रङ्कले सुँघ्नुमा पनि हेल्प गर्छ, फुड पिक गर्नुमा हेल्प गर्छ. This is the tusk. This is modified teeth. यो टस्कले चाहिँ it helps in tearing the bark of trees. Your tusk very strong huncha and it helps in tearing the bark of trees. And these are the ears. Your ear le chai you can see it is very very large ear. So it helps to hear very soft sounds and it also keeps the animal cool. Okay, so we have come to the end of the chapter weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate.